Hey everyone, what's up? I'm back with a new video. I'm going to be showing you guys what I got recently just from thrifting. Most of the clothes that I got were from Buffalo Exchange, so I'm going to show you guys a few pieces that I got from there. And yeah, we'll just go through these. There's not too many pieces here. I just want to show you guys just a couple of things that I got, and I haven't done a fashion video in a really long time, so I figured this would be a good idea. Also, I'm not wearing any makeup because I'm just trying to let my skin breathe before tomorrow. I'm going to be wearing a lot of makeup, so I just want to go ahead and leave it be. We're going to go through these. I'm gonna go through the first pair of pants that I got recently, and I think I only paid $14 for these red slacks. So I like these because first of all, they're really comfortable and it fits my waist perfectly. It's tapered in here, so it's really good for a person that has a small waist and bigger thighs. It's pretty loose around the thigh area, which is really good for me, and I like how vibrant the color is. So I would ideally wear this with maybe a black top or something that would add a really nice contrast to it. And these are a size 10 actually, so it fits really well. It's pretty loose, really comfortable. So I got this really cute sweater crop top from Rehab. It's in a size small and it's pretty stretchable. It has like a nice emerald green color to it. And I like the detailing at the bottom. It has a tie here that ties all the way to the back. So it has a crisscross shape to it at the end. And also I really do like the quality. I think I spent $12 on this. I think originally the top was about $35, so it's not a bad price. One thing I will say is that the belt part of this is kind of fraying a little bit, but all I have to do really is cut it off and it should be fine. Nice quality. It's a pretty thick material. It's not too thin. I would definitely pair it together with these red pants just because I think it goes together, just because of the shade of this green isn't too bright. So I was looking for a pair of jeans for my trip this year, or I guess in a few months. And I don't have a really nice pair of skinny jeans that are high-waisted, and I found these for $15. They are by BDG and they're amazing. I don't know the size of this. I feel like it's a size 4. So for me, it fits my hips perfectly, but also it fits my waist really nicely. It kind of tapers in smaller at the waist area. And for me, I love to roll up the legs of my jeans just because it makes me look a lot taller than I am rather than shorter. It's really hard for me to find jeans, you guys. I was thinking that I would have to go to Fashion Nova or something to buy a new pair, but... So the next piece I got, this is the cutest one, I think. It's from Zara, and this is in a size medium. But it's this long sheer top where it looks like a shirt in the front. Yeah, so it goes all the way down to my knees in the back of the shirt. And so I guess I would put this over a tank top or maybe like just like a crop top, I guess. If you want to, you could do a bralette underneath it and it would look really cute with some jeans or some shorts or something, or maybe even like a high-waisted skirt. I need to play around with how I'm gonna wear this. I really don't know yet, but I will see. I've been getting a lot of sheer outfits lately, so I'm gonna try to put that in a lookbook really soon so y'all can go ahead and see how I put those pieces together. This is so cute. In the front, it's got a little drawstring that you can tighten up. Really, really cheap, really cute. And again, I didn't spend any money on these clothes. I just switched them out for credit after I, gave away my other clothes to the store. Okay, and this next piece, this was not, I wouldn't call this a thrift store. This is actually a surplus store from Urban Outfitters. They usually have everything heavily discounted. I guess stuff that's really out of season. But I got this shirt for $3. And I love the material. I think it's very high quality. It's really thick material for the white shirt. And I just love this detailing. To me, it just kind of reminds me of like African print, in my opinion. And of course, you guys know I'm African, so I went ahead and I snagged this because it was really cute. I think it will look really cute with the shorts that I also thrifted from Buffalo Exchange. So I would definitely pair this shirt that I showed you guys earlier with these shorts that I recently thrifted from Zara. Not from Zara, but I thrifted them from Buffalo Exchange, and it's the Zara brand. This is in a size medium and it fits me pretty high-waisted. At this point, I love how it's frayed at the bottom, and also I love the woven material. One thing I will say about this one though is that the zipper keeps on unzipping at the top. So I might have to use a safety pin, but the only annoying thing is when I have to use the restroom, I'll have to undo it, and that's gonna be difficult for me, so I'll have to figure out a solution for this honestly in the future. Okay, so the last thing I have are shoes. I got these for a steal. These are Forever 21 and they're actually really comfortable, but I've been looking for a nice boot that's pointy that has a nice thick chunky heel that I could wear almost every single day. I wore this, I would say, for around 5 hours today, and I didn't feel uncomfortable at all. I guess they're already kind of broken anyway, so to me they're fine. These are actually a size 8.5 and I'm a true 7. It changes depending on the brand, but these are really comfortable, they fit really well. I'm gonna take these with me on my trip because I wanted to have a nice stylish boot that I can wear with everything that doesn't hurt to walk in. That's gonna be it for this haul. I just wanted to show you guys a few pieces or key pieces that I got recently from thrifting. If you have a Buffalo Exchange near you, I would definitely recommend going. And if you have any clothes to exchange, do it because you don't have to spend any money. You can just literally clean out your closet and get some new items that you would want to replace those clothes with in the future. So try it out. That's what I've been doing recently. And yeah, that's it for this video. If you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe. And remember to click the notification bell down below if you want to see all of my updates. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.